question you may be asking is, what ingredients should I use for my raw juicing? There are 56 different types of vegetables, 52 different types of fruit, and 80 different types of greens, probably more. That's why I've broken it down into 5 of each group that are most often used by professional juicers. For the veggies, I'll choose carrots, celery, cucumbers, beets, and tomatoes. For the fruits, I'll go over apples, oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and pineapple. And for the greens, the top 5 are spinach, kale, dandelion, Swiss chard, and mustard. The top 5 herbs are cilantro, parsley, dill, mint, and oregano. And the top 5 superfoods are turmeric, ginger, radish, collard greens, and wheatgrass. When making a juice, you have about 4 main parts. The base is made up of carrots, celery, cucumber. The sweetener can be made up of fruits, which you can increase or decrease to offset the bitterness of the greens. The nutritional boosters are the leafy greens, which can be masked by the vegetables and the fruits. And the superfoods pack the punch on nutrition and add spice to the juice. I highly recommend using organic whenever you can. You want to reduce the risk of chemicals wherever possible. I use a baking soda wash with 5 teaspoons of baking soda to 5 cups of water. Let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes and then rinse. That'll get rid of all the chemicals. I give you an easy juicing recipe that is a technique I've been using. It's a 1-to-1 mix. If it's not sweet enough, you can add a little more fruit to your taste. That's why I call it a 1-to-1 plus method of blending. If I give you a recipe, it won't suit you. You'll alter it because you don't like the sweetness. You'll adjust it some way, shape, or another. I picked up a bottle of juice in the store because I wanted to see what the ingredients were. I can usually tell just by looking at the color of the juice. A good example is V8 juice. I purchased a can just to get the ingredient list and then juiced each ingredient separately. I blended until I got the exact taste, and my juice ended up being something like 90% tomato juice with 10% equal parts of the other 7: carrots, celery, beets, parsley, lettuce, watercress, and spinach. So in this case, I used the 1-to-1 blending method, but I used it with the smaller ingredients and then added it to the tomato juice base until I got the right taste I wanted. In this section of the course, you'll learn all about ingredients, the health benefits, and how to juice like a pro.